We'll be chasing them. We will be chasing the fire. It's nice.
Oh, that's
No.
open. Why did it open?
There you go. Let it cook for a minute. No, that's a big one.
Huh?
Fireworks. It's nice background over there if you're shooting at the back of the fence.
Yeah. Oh, it's a light.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Look like a vacation house. Look at that. Hello. Say hi to the world. Say hi to the world.
Hi, world.
It's the 4th of July. I keep chasing him. Last year there was a fireworks here.
Not like before.
We are like on the resort at the every time I move away there's a fireworks, and then if I'll go it's gone. I don't wanna Pampano. Yeah, I'm gonna go over there and get up and then it's gone. See? It's gone. It's got that tree. We're chasing the fireworks on the neighborhood. Crazy. Chasing him. Chasing the fireworks. Hey robot. How you
Clean the
doing,
pool.
robot? Cleaning the pool. Are you cleaning the pool, robot? Is it bent from the fruit or it's broken? There's a lot of fruit na. Imagine that top over there, it's got plenty of fruits. It's gonna be like bended soon. This one is bending. Hello guys, I'm here at the swimming pool, just laying down. I keep chasing them, so I'll just stay at the porch. You have to be closer.
That tree's blocking that sensor probably.
Fireworks.
Oh, you can see up there?
Yeah. The trees is blocking it. Oh,